Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. That is some PPG Speed Hide I'm not recommending as my base pillow layer for a bloom. But this bloom is a different bloom in that it's going to be made of leftover bloom paint that's partially Prizm Pours and Primary Elements from Colour Arte on top of black and white paint. Now there's my dish of paint, and I want to add a little bit of color, and I think some of that's going to be the Egyptian blue. Just add a few colors in there. I wish I could get that to go down the way it is, because it looks like it would be pretty cool. I'm going to add some Agave blue. I'm going to put this in the center. The purple in there from the last painting is the wild orchid. I might want a little bit more of that. And I'm hoping I can pour it out of the dish. This is marooned. This is several paintings ago that it was probably originally in those colors. It's a fantastic color. It's a wonderful companion to the wild orchid in case you're interested in the 20% off coupon code that's right there with the link to the website. I have one more color. I say that, but you can't trust me. I have one more color. I have the Indigo Violet. And I don't mind covering up any of the black. Doesn't bother me a bit. And the only thing, I keep thinking pink. I've got Cupid's Crush, which is kind of bright. Maybe a little drop or two of that, and we'll see what happens. Especially if I get it open. Can't wait to see what happens now. Okay. Not the best, not the worst design. I haven't put any gold in there, and I meant to. I've got some Primary Elements Golden Maple that's a Bling It. Alright, here goes nothing. Now I want that to remain, so we're going to give it a shot. Right over the middle. I should have grabbed a spatula. I can still grab a spatula. These are Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. I think I'm going to lose my color if I'm not careful though. I only want it if it's colorful, although it doesn't seem to matter. It will all spin out in a moment. And any paint that's left this time is going to go on my Lola-Fee silicone matte. Lola-Fee, I never say it right. I scraped it down from the edge so it wouldn't have any glop, and I think I succeeded in that much. Just going to flip this right over. Throw that little spatula in the bucket. I think I might like to take my palette knife, or a palette knife, and swipe out something. So let me grab my Mayan gold. And I'm going to use some black, because I used white first last time, and then white, and then some Mayan gold. And then I just want to let that spread out. I should probably get rid of that press and seal, which is great for making labels as well as covering paint and storing it for overnight. I'll throw that palette knife in the bucket. We're going to see what happens with this. I might want to put a little bit more black in there, I think. How about a spiral just once? And that is the black onyx from Walmart. I see that wild orchid is looking very intense. Anytime I've got white and colors nearby, I do like to spiral things out. I do try and be careful, because as long as you're working with house paint, you're always going to drag a little mouse tail, I used to call them. There might not be much left of what was there originally. Put that somewhere else and give her a spin. Let's start a little further away from there. You come to paint. What are we gonna get? I'm excited. Wow. That's intense. Do I want to do something else? I might. I might not. Let's go for it anyway. I could probably swipe a little something else, and I'm thinking I saw an area that might be of interest to me. That's a big spiral. That black spiral just walloped itself right out. Let's give it a tighter center and then decide if I want some gold, which is kind of like what I want. So let's just grab some of the P.E.S, although silver seems to be, I still want that pink. I have some magenta. I have some Atelier Amsterdam. I have some Atelier magenta, which might be kind of fun to play with. I think it's pretty runny, so maybe I'll start with a little bit of white. And I might finish with the gold. But it might be the Mayan gold and not the P.E.S like I was contemplating. Okay, rather than reach across the painting, and where else? Don't forget to remind me if you want the recipe, the tutorial for the acetate tools, and I don't remember to give it to you. All you have to do is ask, and I will try. My go-to lately is spirals. I like the little bits of, I like the little cells. I like the big cells. Being called to like something bright. I've got some Miami magenta. I wonder what that would look like. Let's just use a much smaller tool, depending on how much time I got. Oh, I didn't set my timer, so I better be quick. Let's grab a little bit. I'm going to grab some of the dioxazine purple from Hobby Lobby. And some of this Miami Magenta, which is a Prizm Pour. And I think I might like that. No matter what, I might like that. Where else? Anywhere else? Somewhere else, I'm sure. Little magenta never hurt anybody. I got a few cells, not anything major. I think I might be done. Just a few little spirals. This is bugging me. Don't know why. But it's not going to bug me anymore because I'm going to do something with it. I'm not sure if I should spin another time, but this one line here has got to go. Just didn't make any sense to me in there. And since I've got some white on my stick, I'll add it right there. Pop that bubble. Yeah, I still am craving something bright. And that Miami Magenta definitely qualifies. I really like that. That's pretty much fun. Alright, maybe we should give it one more spin right after that last spiral in the gold. Last two spirals in the gold. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow. And if I still crave more brights, I'll add them. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. I think I mentioned that. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. Thank you for your kind words and your comments of encouragement. I really appreciate them. I don't like what I did over there, so I'm going to fix it. Tighten up that center. Or loosen it up any way you want to look at it. Hope I didn't ruin anything there. No, I think that's going to help actually. I just want to spiral everything, can you tell? Okay, so we're really close to the end because I've already said stuff I needed to say. Check out my link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Facebook group is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I have over 2,700 videos. And should you want to find them, go to playlists, all playlists, created playlists. Or ask me because I've got them saved by topic and genre and by the 100. Yeah, it's just going to be a whole bunch of spirals. I just made all those cells into spirals. Such is life. This is bugging me. I want to do something about that. Where's my small? All right. I don't think that black made the least bit of difference, but the spirals probably did. I will be not torching, I will be poking with a stick to rid myself of all of the bubbles that wind up in the middle of the spirals. So check your spirals for bubbles, because that's where mine usually wind up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Did I say that already? My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I'm going to try and shimmer this at you. It should be kind of interesting. It's definitely got some beautiful aspects to it. There's another bubble. But it was more like getting rid of leftovers and experimenting. And if it winds up being a good background for something, so be it. I know, my head's in the way. Lots and lots of spirals. Not sure which way is up yet. Could be that way for you. I'm going to try and zoom in. This one big spiral is just anomalous. It's weird. I will probably love this tomorrow, but we'll see. It's got some really cool things, and it's got a few weird things that are just kind of bugging me. And every once in a while I can improve on one of them, which is cool. Take that white spot right out of there. Wow, that was pretty cool. So, I'll see you anon. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I expect you'll be gone in a moment. Look for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups. My website is they're all on the link tree, along with other things. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork when I get a chance. So if you'd like to help support the studio, other than joining and getting access to the members only library that has more than 50 videos in it for $9.99 a month, making a donation through PayPal helps me keep painting. Your comments keep my morale boosted. I thank you for being here. I hope you come again. I will see you anon. Bye for now. Whatever I forgot, you'll see in another video. Oh, my paint pouring recipes, they're underneath the video. And you can ask me questions whenever you want, and the community board will show you tomorrow's video late at night usually, or early in the morning. Bye for now. Priscilla out.